effectively by using simulation and animation. For example, functioning of the nervous system treatment. You can take any other uh, point to mention it. First use is demonstration. First use demo. Second is prediction. First demonstration. Second prediction. In prediction, see prediction can be made after completion and processing the given information. How to predict? How to predict? Number third, collecting scientific information. Collecting scientific information. How to collect? See, you can collect through the internet, email, news group, blogs, chat rooms, videos. That means by the video conferencing. All this you can will be useful to collect this point. You mentioned there. It can be tick mark it. It can ask for the 2 marks to write it. Atharv Yadav. Atharv Yadav. 53. Second, now see opportunities in the computer field. Very important. Already we are using it by the different ways. Especially see you on your videos, all of you. जरा व्हिडिओ ऑन करा सगळे. बघूया कसे बसलात. व्हेरी गुड. Videos must be on one by one. Come in that box. Opportunities. First you can see in software. In software. First. Under software see, which is one of the important field, having accepted the challenge of creating software, many companies have been entered in this field. The opportunity like software in the it can given different points and classification. Application program development, software package development, operating system and utility development, special purpose scientific applications. Under all these points, application program development, application program development, software package development, operating system and utility development, special purpose scientific application. Number 2, hardware field. Number 2, hardware field. Now see the several companies which make the computers. They sell the computers that they have been made themselves. Other sell computers brought from outside, as well as they repair them and take maintenance of the computers. In big companies, see, those are working efficiently without break by using these computers. Number of jobs, number of opportunities. Forward, see, they are given some points. Hardware designing, hardware production, hardware assemble and testing, maintenance, servicing and repairing. And then all these last 2 lines, designing, production, assembly and testing, maintenance, servicing and repairing. Servicing and repairing. Number third, say training. Number third, training. We can conduct the training for various jobs in various fields. Commonly see training in the education, training in the industrial level. Nowadays we getting all type of trainings through the government, by the private sectors, in education field also. We are also getting as a teacher the different training by the government. We are using the same one, online, offline, everything, but they are the taking with the help of these computers, which is the one of the main component to carry out this training. Number 4, marketing. Number 4, marketing. Now this is the huge field. Nowadays we can attracting to all the products which are present in the market. How they put in front of the people by the various field, by the different marketing sources, it is most important. For this, see many establishments which make and sell the computers with the related accessories. They need good sales. They have some different experience in their working computers as well as skill in marketing. That marketing depends upon different skills. This is the most important. Underline the last line in the marketing. Underline the last line. Under this. Turning towards now the next one, institute. Which are those institutes? See, they are given some names. CTAC, Center for Development of Advanced Computing, which is situated in the Pune. One of the leading institutes in India which conduct the research in the field of computers. Under the name First Indian Supercomputer is made by this institute. The valuable guidance for marketing this computer, the given the Param computer was received from the senior scientist Vijay Bhaskar. Param means supreme, under that line. Param means supreme. Param means supreme. Next is the one of the most important, under that word, perform 1 billion calculations per second. Uses see in different fields like space research, movement in the interior of the earth, research in oil deposits, medicine, meteorology, engineering and military. Under all these uses, underline all these uses. Now this see that once more of the uses: space research, movement in the interior of the earth, research in oil deposit, medicine, meteorology, engineering and military. Now it also participated in development of ISCH code for writing different language scripts. That means Indian script for Indian interchange the languages which can mention in this program can you develop and has been participated by this CDAC, which are the most important field. Most important field. Now rather than this, see, come some questions from the exercise now. Question number 1. We will see one by one. Come in exercise. Question number 1. Come in exercise. Question number 1. See the fill in the blanks. Boys, your videos must be on. Be careful. Your videos must be on. Sit properly. Your videos must be on. See how you are enjoying, see. Not any seriousness. Huh? Let's see. Mayuresh, you are stop your yes. Why are you sitting in darkness? Come in the light. Your face must be looked properly, no? Going in one of the corners, sitting anywhere. No books are there in front of you. Simply that your mobile is on and you are doing other things. No. Okay. Open the exercise. Come in the question first. We will try to solve it. We will try to solve it one by one. Question first. Come. Question first. Try to find out the answer. Fill in the blanks. While working with computer, we can read the information stored in its memory and perform other actions in dash memory. First, write down the sentence. First, write down the sentence. Come on. Who will tell the first answer? Can you tell the first answer? Yes, anybody? Yes. Yes. What you want? External memory. Mention that. External memory. External memory. Go for second. While presenting picture and videos about the work of scientists, we can use dash. Yes. You can add anyone. Rather answer presentation of software. Presentation of software, and that means just like the PowerPoints. Number third, to draw the graph based on quantitative information obtained in an experiment. Obtained in an experiment. Your answer will be Microsoft Excel. or spread list program, spreadsheet program or Excel. Last one, computer will not work unless dash is applied to it. Very easy. What it needs? Electric current and electric power, electric supply. Electric power or electric supply. Go for the question second now. Answer the following questions. Which one? First generation. Very easy. First generation, why see? It was large. It can create some heat. It produce some heat there. Due to heat, there is chance to shut down. It is first paragraph, see. It is in first paragraph. Try to find out. Shut down. Write that answer for that. Due to excessive heat, first generation computer used to shut down because of producing excess heat. Producing excess heat. Producing excess heat. Now we are entering in the last. Go for question second now. Number of times they are going out, coming in. It's continuously it is going on. 25. Question second. Note down the question. Explain the role and importance of information communication technology. Role and importance, it is seen in the first page. Role and importance. It is on the page number 1. That is page number 108. Page number 108. In both the paragraph. In both the paragraph. Second one, see which application software in the computer field, in computer system, did you find useful while studying science and how? Now it will be very interesting now, finding this answer. Because if you want to commonly see, if you want to complete this 3-4 practicals which is given in this all topic, see what type of the different skill you can use. Useful application of software during study of the science. Take first one, word processor, spreadsheet, that is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, using browser, Chrome, internet, finding the mails and sending the mails. These are some common points to find out the answers. Mention it properly. I will read once more, see. Microsoft Words for project, spreadsheet or Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, using browser, Chrome, net. These are the common one. Number 3, see how does computer work? how does computer work. For this, you can come on page number 109, diagram number 10.1. 10.1, working of computer. Diagrammatic representation is given. See, you can use this chart to complete your answer for the question number 3, that means C. For DC, what precautions should be taken while using various type of software as in computer? Precautions are there. Page number 111. Last one, see, which are the various devices used in information communication. You can mention it all. Upper on the same page, second page, see, page number 113 in blue color box. Page number 13 in blue color box. Under this you can mention remaining one. Rather than this, see the question number 5. You have to make graph by using the spreadsheet. It will be one type of practical for you. Question number 4, explain difference between the different generation of computer and how did science contribute to this development. You can go for the first page, last paragraph, and add the information of the supercomputer which is on last paragraph on page number 113. Take the help of these two paragraphs and find the difference for question number 4. Question 5c, what devices you will use to share with others the knowledge did you have? This is open-ended question. With help of this computer, different devices, there are number of devices, you can select 2, 3, whatever you know, how you can share your knowledge with your friends. Whatever they are given, see, on the page number 113 in the opportunities in the computer field. You can take the help of software collection, scientific information, see, in the uses of information communication technology in blue color boxes, yellow color boxes, using internet, emails, news group, blogs, Wikipedia, video conferencing. Question number 6, you have to make one PowerPoint presentation on any point which is related in our textbook. And last one, which are the technical difficulties did you face while using computer and what type of the overcomes are there. This is also open-ended question. All of you are using, you know that how it can be having some certain difficulties. You can mention them in proper way